Alright, so today we are in the park by my house. That's the basketball court. And I'm swinging on this big swing, huh? There's my mom and dad. And behind my mom and dad is a big tree over there. And that's where my house is. Isn't that cool? Yeah, she has her period today. You guys want to see me? Okay, no. You want to see me? Fine. I'll show myself. Just because I think it's okay. Oh, there's my brother. I'll show you something interesting. On the scooter. Yeah. Okay. Here's me. Hello. I'm swinging. Sam, if you're watching, I'm in my normal shirt. I just came from school. And yeah. Bye.